Hello, I'm Stu Patterson with Symetrix. I'm here at InfoComm 2026 in Las Vegas. I want to introduce you to our next generation AV and control platform, Cognio. Cognio is, the big idea is distributed intelligence. Rather than forcing every system around a central processor, Cognio allows processing, control, and system behavior to live throughout the architecture so the system can scale more naturally and operate with greater resilience. With Cognio, the designer can focus first on what the space needs to be. You are not starting with a fixed hardware box and forcing the design to fit inside of it. You can build around rooms, zones, workflows, and user needs, then apply the right hardware to support the design. One of the biggest advantages of it is that Cognio enables problem solving earlier in the process. With design ops, teams can validate designs before hardware is installed, which means fewer surprises in the field, faster commissioning, and more confidence when the crew is on site. Control is a major part of the Cognio story. We have built-in, code-free tools that allow teams to create clean, intuitive control interfaces without having to start from scratch or rely on specialized programming for every project. Cognio is really about giving AV professionals more freedom, more confidence, and a more resilient, easily scalable architecture that allows the system to adapt to the work, not the other way around. If you need more information, please go to symetrix.co. That's Symetrix.co. And thank you.